Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Howlogical, and in this video I am going to show you how to use your Trello calendar. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. As you can see, there is no option of calendar into the application of Trello. Now in this case, you just simply have to open your Trello into any of your browser. Then after opening Trello into your browser, you will get so many options into here. Now you just simply have to go into home page. Then after that, select workspace option into here. Then after selecting the workspace, you will get the option of workspace views. Now into there, you will get to see this calendar option. Just simply by selecting that calendar option, you can easily use the calendar of Trello. This way you can also use your Trello calendar. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update. Thank you for watching the video.